Hello, so in today's video we will take a look how to use styled components. So probably you have installed them already. If not, use this command npm install save styled components, and let's get started. So we are using default create React app template, and at first we will build some navigation without styled components, and then I will show how to convert it to styled components so you understand how those properties work. And yeah, so first thing, let's remove all the code which we will not need, and let's add navbar, and let's make some simple link, for example home, and let's add home inside of it, and let's test if it works. So as you can see, we see the home, and let's make, for example, array with some nav items. Yeah, for example, we will need home. We can use some, for example, products, categories, and about, and maybe also one more section. And so yeah, and let's map over it. Now items.map navigation item, and let's place this a tag inside of it, and let's put this now item here, and also we can do it for href too. So don't forget to add backward ticks, slash, for variable we need to use this $sign. Yeah, we have our navigation kinda. So let's start with adding styles. Let's add styles for navigation first. For example, with JSX we are doing this. This is not good approach, but we will do it in this tutorial. It's inline styling. It's not always good, but yeah. So let's add style object. For example, let's make it flex, then add, for example, color, let's add gray color. Let's try to run it. So yeah, as you can see, our navigation is appearing, it's in gray color. And now we will make height, let's give it like 60. Don't forget these commas, and let's give it like position of fixed, and let's give it a width 100%, and let's center these items vertically. So let's add align items, center. So yeah, as you can see, our navigation is kinda looking like little bit like navigation. Let's give it a little bit of gap. For example, let's give it 8 pixels. Sorry. And yeah, so now it's time to style the links. So let's style the links. Let's give the style object. For example, we will make the link white color. Let's remove text decoration. And let's make it bold. Let's give it a padding of 20 pixels. Okay, it kind of looks like navigation now. And the thing is, now we need to convert it to styled components. So first thing we need to do is import or styled from styled components. And first thing which we will make with styled components is navigation in this case. So let's make, for example, styled navigation component equals styled, and let's pick our JSX tag, or basically you can use HTML tags, in this case with dot, and let's style it. So we can copy these styles from here. And now is the thing. Basically, if we copy them, they will not work because we need to use CSS syntax, and I can just show you here. So we will replace this with styled navigation. Don't forget to also replace this nav tag, and you see nothing's appearing. That's because these properties are not working, because these are the JavaScript object properties, but we need to use CSS style properties. So easier it's if we use this extension, and we will see the highlights in the style component. So you see it's easier to read now. So let's make like this, and let's remove these ticks, and also we need to add semicolons. And reformat them to CSS style. And as you can see, our navigation appears now. So the next thing is to convert this A tag. So for example, we can call it like styled link equals styled A, back vertex. We will copy these properties also, paste them here, and remove these ticks, and replace with semicolons, and convert them to CSS properties. So yeah, and we can also add pixel here. Let's make it more readable. And let's replace this A tag with our newly made styled link. Let's replace it, and let's remove these properties. Sorry. And so yeah, as you can see, it works. We can change, for example, color here, and it works basically just like CSS. Just it's easier to make it modular, so they are components, and we can change it back to gray it will change to gray. And one more thing which I want you to show is you can also add hover effects. For example, for the link we will add some hover. For example, we will make it with black color, background white, and border bottom 3px solid orange. And now hover should work. As you can see, hover is working. So that's it, and that's basically how you can use styled components. Of course, I will make more videos on styled components, how to make it more modular, but for now that's it, and thank you for watching.